Hi everyone, want to stop the scroll and hook the viewers in 3 seconds? Let me show you how to generate a viral video hooks in seconds using the Arcade's hook generator. Let's get started. First, all you need to do is to head over to the arcades.com and log in, and then here from the dashboard, click on the hook generator. Then select your platform. Choose your platform creating for YouTube, TikTok, Instagram Reels, or Facebook Shorts. The arcades will tailor your hooks based on the algorithm style for each platform. And now enter your topic. Enter your selected prompts, then hit or click the generate hooks. Then, these are some options or examples. Then, after that, you can customize and copy. Edit the hook for your tone, like funny, dramatic, or educational, then copy it to your script, and then video, editor, or teleprompter tool. You can use the first line of your video to increase the watch time and engagement. And the first 3 seconds make or break your video. With the arcade soup generator, you never have the struggle to intros again. Try it now and start going viral. If you found this video tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more creator tools. Thanks for watching.